So, first thing we want to do is we want to create a new monster from scratch. So, what I'll have to do is go to create a page 8.5 by 11. 8.5 by 11 here. Make sure it's inches. Make sure that is in portrait or landscape. It's your choice. Push create. Once we've created this, now we can go over here to our tools panel. On the tools panels, we can be able to choose what we want to do. Here is where we can be able to choose a certain shape that we want. So I'll elect to use the ellipse tool to start my monster off. Right now, in this particular section, again, all we have to do is be able to go to colors, whatever color we want. So I'll go ahead and choose a green monster. Okay, from the green monster here, then I can go back and choose a head of some sort. Right, choose a different color here, choose blue, and then I can go back into my section here, give him a top hat, choose black, move over here with the selection tool. Right, go back here, give me some type of eyes of some sort here. Double that by pushing Alt. Right, you can see how detailed my monster is coming out and starting to do certain things. And so as I'm going through and I'm doing my segment tools and my line segment tools and things like that, I can choose things that I want in my particular section of my monster or new monster. And all we're doing is making the monster from particular shapes and sizes. So you're pretty clear to do whatever you want. Just make sure you take your time going in and trying to figure out what you want to do. I want you to explore this. Like I said before, this is not a rush. It's more of, hey, let's work with Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so as we're going through and you're trying to create different types of symbols and things like that, just have fun with it. Let's see what you can create. Right, stroke. And it's like I said, let's just have fun with what we're doing. Like I said, when we're done with creating an Adobe monster, you can use whatever symbols and shapes you want. Go ahead and venture on some of the paint brushes and things like that and have fun. Once you're done, file, save as, and with your ID number, my monster. Make sure you save it as PDF file, click save, and turn it in.